Learn how to install the iOS 27 beta on your iPhone with these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app and tap your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap iCloud. Then scroll down again and select iCloud Backup. Make sure Backup is turned on or tap Backup now to create a fresh backup before installing the beta. This helps keep your data safe in case anything goes wrong during the update process. Next, open Safari and search for Apple Developer. Open the first website. Tap Sign In and log in using the same Apple account that's signed in on your iPhone. After signing in, scroll down a bit, then agree to the terms and conditions. Once that's done, go to your profile, tap Account, and then return to your home screen. Now open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Select Beta Updates and choose iOS 27 Developer Beta. Go back to the previous screen, and you should now see the iOS 27 Beta Update available. Tap Update now. Your iPhone will download and install the update automatically. And that's the simplest way to get the iOS 27 beta on your iPhone. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.